Hi everyone, I just want to share to you what I bought for my bluebirds. Every year I have two pairs of bluebirds visiting, and then so yesterday I bought this post, Birdhouse post, and then this one because bluebirds love this kind of Birdhouse. I bought this at Walmart for like $12 something, and then this one I think I spent $32. I ordered this online from Amazon, so it says like I think is it 10 feet, 9, 8 or 10 feet tall, so we'll see, and then I will update you guys when I'm done. So I'm just excited. All right, talk to you guys later. So there it is. Now I'm excited. It will take months, but worth the wait, I bet. I think I should buy another one for the other side. So that's it. It's easy to install. It's like Lego. As simple as that. Bye.